Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We are in Arizona, Maricopa to be exact. We just pulled up to my mom's new house here. It's looking pretty good. The Accord did amazing on the trip. We drove 1,600 miles straight through, no stops. And we're gonna go in and check this place out. But first of all, if you guys could please click subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. If you could leave a like on this video, a comment, anything, doesn't matter what it is, really appreciate it. Really helps me out. So there she is. Really? Wow. Anyways, coming on in, there's already like an eyeball reader. I don't know what the heck that thing is, but it's like a little camera or something.
That would have been an amazing TikTok if you were being serious.
We don't do that.
I'm mad at you. You're not allowed here.
Yeah, she's
Girls
mad at me
only.
right now. Fine. Yeah, anyways, we was flying the drone a little bit earlier. I'm gonna show you guys a few shots, but my phone died right in the middle of flight. I was probably like 300 feet up, and I didn't even know where I was, so I had a hard time making it back. So I knew there was an American flag below me, so I literally jumped in the car, drove all over this place, and just looked for the American flag. Luckily, the drone did what it was supposed to. By the time my phone turned back on, the battery was dying inside the drone, and it was already automatically returning to home, but it was like hundreds and hundreds of feet up right there, and it barely made it, guys, but it landed exactly within inches of where I took off from. So remember, flyers, set that home point. It's very important. So anyways, coming on in, it's pretty high tech, pretty cool. Look, she didn't even lock me out. Excuse the chaos. Coming on in, we're gonna start here. There's a little guest bedroom. They literally just moved here, guys, so there's like barely any furniture or anything like that. So please excuse the mess or anything like that, but I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of the new place. A couple little twin beds there for guests. Here is a bathroom with a tub and a shower. Here's another room. Looks like they're set up to use as an office. Yeah, like I said, they don't have any furniture right now. It's kind of a cool little night light. Over here, looks like a little closet, little coat closet. And here is washer and dryer room. Pretty nice, like separated. They didn't go very fancy on the garage door, but we're gonna open that up. The door handles are really weird. They're like oval shaped. Let's see here. There is the garage. Get a two-car garage. Lexus SC430 is parked in here. Paint's looking pretty good. I just refinished the rear bumper and the front bumper on this car before she left. So it's looking pretty good. Of course, she parks inside the garage, so it never really has to hit that Arizona sun. But I do have lifetime quality products on all of my paint work, so looks pretty dang good. A few bugs on the front, but car's looking pretty good, guys. They're still moving in, so lots of moving boxes and stuff like that. Go ahead and close the garage. Some little smart home thing, system, alarm, that's pretty cool. Hey baby. Got some flowers, we got some food, a little bit of a mess. We just had some food, Thanksgiving. Nice little granite island. You're on the vlog. I'm doing a little house tour. They don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, let's see what else is out here. This is a GoPro camera. All right, I film on a GoPro. Secret's out. That's my Aunt Irene. She's been giving me a hard time this whole time, but I guess that's what family does. Looks like a little pantry. Guess you can keep some food in here. They don't have a whole lot in here, but she does have a lot of pots and pans and waffle makers and all sorts of things. I don't know how you turn the light off in here. Oh. Anyways, nice big kitchen. Really? Oh my God, those are some ugly Christmas sweaters. They got some pretty good food. They got some grapes and stuff. I don't know what's in there, but that don't look right. Freezer. Looks pretty good. Little juice punch bowl, little drink counter. Here's the drone. It was reliable, did do what it was supposed to. Luckily, we didn't lose the drone today. Here's my mom. She wants to show off her freezer. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good.
The other drawer.
The other drawer? Oh, she's got the good stuff in here. Ah. That's pretty fancy. Pretty fancy. Carmen rolling the eyes. She's still mad at me. I took off looking for the drone, didn't even say goodbye or nothing. So, you want to get yelled at all the time? Get yourself a Latina chick.
Get the poinsettias. Get the poinsettias.
Here's my mom's poinsettias. Everybody tried to one-up each other this year. We got the two little tiny baby twins. We got the little medium one here. And then, yeah, we don't even want to talk about this. Somebody just went above and beyond. I think my mom actually got that one for herself. But we did pretty good. We knew she liked poinsettias, but we didn't win.
Poinsettias, bring them out for the picture.
Oh,
Poinsettias out. Yep.
well, we're gonna get the big jumbo one.
Oh, it's not as heavy as this.
Yeah, I was carrying it. They're doing a family photo right now in ugly Christmas sweaters.
They're not ugly.
They're
The sweaters
hideous,
are cute,
actually.
they're not ugly.
There you
Who are you
go.
talking to?
The vlog, the YouTube.
Oh, hey, what's
Yeah,
up?
that's Merritt, my brother-in-law. That's Riley. Beautiful Carmen.
Still mad at you.
Not too much of a backyard. Good thing about this yard is you don't have to mow it. It's like self-trimming grass. You don't ever have to mow this grass. This is the best kind of grass you can get. It's not very green, but the best kind of grass you can get because it doesn't grow.
They're gonna cute.
But definitely Arizona style feeling backyard. Got a little Spencer down there. We got Rick. He's watching TV. Like I said, no furniture yet. They're still getting furniture, so ignore that. We're eating on the beautiful Lifetime Costco foldables. But there's the beautiful Christmas tree.
Rome wasn't built today.
I'm not giving you a hard time, Rick. It looks good. Master bedroom. It's beautiful. It's got like filters and everything. Like the HVAC system in here is awesome. So of course they don't have their even curtains up or nothing yet. It looks like some curtains. Probably some blackout curtains to keep the sun from coming in. Looks like the bed's just sitting on the ground there. But I'm sure they'll have dressers and nice wall mount TV and nice beautiful bed at some point. But here is the master bathroom. Got his and her sinks. Got a shower. No tub in here, so if you want to take a bath, you got to hit the other shower. But really nice, large walk-in stall shower. So the toilet section is sectioned off. That's kind of cool. So somebody could go in the bathroom and be taking a shower at the same time. So that's pretty cool. A little sparkly shower curtain. Looks like you get a few shelves here to store some things, some toiletries and towels and stuff like that. Big walk-in closet. Definitely a mess from them moving in, but looks pretty good. Looks like my mom's got some stuff over there. Shoes. Looks like Rick's got lots of shoes too, and shirts and stuff like that. Safe. Always locked, by the way, I'm sure. But yeah, lots of room in here. Once they get everything unpacked, they'll be able to get rid of all the boxes and have lots of space to walk around in there and lots of room to get ready. Everything looks pretty dang good in here. I like it. So, my favorite part of the house is definitely the open floor plan. Got the large kitchen with the bar, stools. Little old saddle sitting on that. Nice stools. Definitely a really cool kitchen. Open floor, dining area, as well as living room. So I already saw the car. They saw the car. Looked good. She's proud of her Lexus, guys. But this is pretty cool.
Post-tension cable slab.
That's what they call that?
Post-tension
Underneath.
Oh.
Post-tension cable was.
Oh, it's probably reinforced and stuff, huh? Yeah, so real strong concrete in the garage. But I really like the large sliding glass door too. You know, it's not an average size, it's big, so you can open it up, and nice little covered patio. So we're back outside. They're doing family photos. Carmen's a photographer, throwing orders like she does best. So anyways, guys, that's my mom's house. We're probably gonna take the drone up one more time, and I'm just charging my phone right now, so we won't have any problems. Anyways, we are getting ready to probably leave here and hit Vegas tomorrow. We're gonna stay a night in Vegas before we head home. So let's walk around the corner. Ooh, lots of room for some nice rusty, broken down cars and stuff. That would look great right there. If it was my house, that's what it would be. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Rah!
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing.